Hey YouTube, Zach here with Savage Traveling, coming to you from the outskirts of Da Nang, Vietnam. I found these rows and rows of construction that they have seemed to halted, and I don't know if they're going to get back because, as you can see, I don't know if this is I don't know if you could save this at this point, or I don't know if that's the plan or what. Clearly they're done working. How long ago? I would guess maybe COVID, but yeah, you can't blame COVID on everything. It's pretty wild. I don't want to walk away from my bike too far, but there ain't nobody out here really. Oh, there's somebody living back here. That doesn't surprise me. But I'm almost to my hotel room. I got 2 nights booked here in Da Nang, and we're gonna enjoy it. I guess we have a rooftop pool, maybe a view of the ocean. I think we'll see when I get there. But yeah, I just wanted to stop real quick and show you just stuff most tourists probably do not see when traveling around Vietnam. Yeah, this is about it. I mean, it goes on for a while. Pretty wild. These pits here. Not a clue what that would have been for. That one has water, this one doesn't. I don't understand. You can see it's been a good while since somebody was in here doing any work. It's like this whole part of town they started to build and then the money ran out, or like I said, maybe COVID happened. Hard to say. Pallets of brick, so who knows. Oh. Hopefully none of this gives out on me. I'd hate to get hurt out here. Oh, heck yeah. Now those yellow buildings, I'm not too sure if those look like they're a little more current. Now this one doesn't. I didn't even notice it. Definitely seen better days. If you're watching my bike as these locals cruise on by, I'd hate to have to jump out of here, pull some Jean-Claude Van Damme or something, you know what I mean? Yeah, definitely worth a stop and look. And I was ready to get off the bike for a few minutes anyway. I still got about 20-25 minutes. But as you can see, there's quite a bit of structure back here that I'm gonna say it's not gonna get finished. We'll go up 3rd floor, since it all seems pretty sturdy. That's it, yeah, 3 floors. Whew. Yeah, man, definitely worth a stop for a few minutes, get a breather. Yeah, like I assume these are apartment buildings, or were to be condo type. Being they're out here on the outskirts and stuff, I don't think it's resorts or hotels. Don't get hurt, don't get hurt. Yeah, man, you just never know what you'll find over here riding around. I suggest it. Rent a bike, even if you just do it around one of the cities. You don't have to do like I do, you know, try to conquer the whole country. Pretty wild stuff, guys. All right, guys, this is Zach with Savage Traveling, just checking out some of the sights and sounds you get to see while motorbiking across this beautiful country. Thanks for joining me. If this is your first time here, please hit that like and that subscribe button. That thumbs up actually counts again these days, is what I'm hearing, so please don't forget to do that. I'm only halfway across Vietnam, and there's a lot more video to come from here and beyond, so you know, peace. I'll see you in the next one. All right, we got a ghost tower. Probably won't explore that today, but there it is, if you can get a glimpse.